My name is BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. BB Fuzz. All right. Today we'll take a look at page 22. A fret is the place where you put your finger on the string to play a note on the guitar. Each fret is numbered, beginning with the number 1. The number represents what finger your fret should be in when playing a note. The 0 represents an open string. An open string is a note that is not fretted, and no finger should touch that string. We played a bunch of open strings on the previous pages. Remember, we're going to pretend to look through the back of the neck of the guitar. You'll see a 0 to represent the open strings, and then you'll see fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. When we're finding frets, remember, don't put your finger on the fret wires, put your finger between the fret wires on the string. Use this page as a guide and try to find these frets on your guitar. You can quiz yourself or your neighbor. Now let's add the string names and try to find the exact location on the fretboard on page 23. In each box on the fretboard below, fill in the fret number and string name. You can take a look back in the book if you need a little help. An example might be fret 1, string A. So in this first example, we know that we are in the first fret. And if we do our Every Ant Deserves Great Big Ears song, every ant deserves great big. This is fret 1, string B. Now you try the others. Place the string name letters from the fretboard in order from left to right in the empty boxes, and you'll get a secret message. Let's talk about fingers on page 24. Right-handed guitar players use the right hand to strum and the left hand to fret. Left-handed players do the opposite. Fretting means to place your fingers on the guitar strings while strumming. We'll start with just one finger to keep it simple. Each finger is numbered. The index finger is number 1, middle finger number 2, ring finger number 3, and pinky number 4. You'll find the fingers labeled in the diagram on the left. Eventually, we'll use all these fingers while playing the guitar. With your thumb in position on the back of the neck, reach your fingers under the guitar and place your fingers on the string. Once you find the string you're looking for, press your finger down on that string. In the example, you'll see that the finger is pressed down on the first fret on the little E string. This creates the note F. If the string makes a buzzing sound, you'll need to press down a little harder. You'll also need to make sure your finger is not directly on the fret wire. It should be in the middle of the fret. Your finger might become a little sore at first, but with practice the soreness will decrease. On page 25, we're going to practice our first fretted note. Remember to imagine looking through the back of the neck of the guitar, or just pretend that your book is the mirror of your guitar. We're going to use the open E string, and we're going to put our finger in the first fret to create the F. BB Fuzz says, each box below contains letters, numbers, and musical symbols. The letter tells you what note to play, not the string name. The number tells you which fret your finger will be in. Remember, 0 is an open string. You already know that the rest for one beat looks like the squiggly. The diagram above shows you where the notes and frets are located on the guitar. You'll also find an arrow pointing to the string you'll be playing. In the first box, we'll play open E, followed by 3 rest. Then we'll reach under the neck of the guitar to place our finger on fret 1 on the little E string to create F. Then we'll have 3 rest. And then we'll end by playing the open E string again. Remember, we want our finger between the fret wires and not right on it. E, rest, rest, rest. F, rest, rest, rest. E, rest, rest, rest. 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 Now you're ready to play your first fretted song. If you forget your assignment, come over and take a look. Treat your guitar with kindness, strum it gently, and remember, we're not going to touch the tuning keys.